It's been an hour since we mixed up our dough. I'm going to fold it now. It's pretty nice. Look at that nice, after 1 hour, look at how beautiful that is. It's soft, but it's pretty strong. And it's pretty sticky though. It's a little too hard to do a coil fold when the dough is this sticky. So we'll just do a regular fold, and after I oil it, I'll show you how to do the coil fold next time. So you fold all 4 sides. Then you lift your dough up. You can see how sticky it is. You lift your dough up and you turn it over. But this dough is just really sticky. I think I'll just fold it over one more time. I guess it must be the enzymes from the honey or something. So I'll turn off the camera and I'll take the dough out, clean out the container, and oil it. So then next time when we fold, we won't have the dough sticking so badly. I oiled the container, so you'll be able to tell that the dough sits in there and is much easier to handle with a little bit of oil in the container. But I got my hands wet, so it's nice and easy to pick up the dough and handle it. And we'll just do a coil fold. So isn't that beautiful dough? You can see the dough's coming along really nicely. So I'll be back in another hour to fold it again. This dough's been fermenting for about 4 hours for bulk ferment, and I had it at 78 degrees Fahrenheit. I was only able to fold it 2 times, but I think that's going to be enough because it's getting late and I want to go to bed. And the dough feels really nice. So I'll shape it and we'll put it in the refrigerator overnight. Okay, 755 grams, 754. Okay, that's pretty good. Getting pretty bubbly, actually. Put a little flour on the outside of the dough like that. It's less likely to stick in the banneton because now you've got a layer of flour there and a layer of flour there. So there's our 2 honey loaves. I'm going to put a plastic bag over the bannetons and I'll put them in the refrigerator overnight. So we'll see you tomorrow.